Hi peeps, I've got a Vauxhall Zafira here, just doing an all service reset on this. I've done the all service already. Now not a lot of people don't realise when the car is due for a service, you'll have an inspection light come on. If you look on the dashboard here, that's the inspection light. That means the service is due. Right? So to reset this, the only way you can do this is by switching the ignition off, press and hold this button here, hold it down. Switch the ignition on. As you see, that's flashing there now. The inspection light is flashing. You'll see it go off in a minute. You'll have 4 dotted lines. There we go. That's all done. That's all you got to do on your car once you've done the service. And that's it. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.